What would you do if you discovered one of the most powerful grandma secrets for hair growth that costs almost nothing, yet has been helping people care for their hair naturally for generations? If you deal with dandruff, dryness, breakage, shedding, or hair that never seems to grow, this simple homemade treatment may be exactly what your routine has been missing. While many people spend money on expensive products without even seeing real results, there is a natural ingredient sitting in your kitchen that can help nourish your scalp, strengthen weak strands, and revive your damaged hair naturally. And today, I'm not only showing you how to use it, but also the important final steps that help keep your hair moisturized, protected, and healthier over time. So if you want to learn what makes this remedy so effective, keep on watching.
1, 2, 3.
First, here I have a pot, and I will be adding about 1/4 cup of cloves with 2 cups of water. I'll allow it to boil until the water absorbs all the powerful nutrients from the cloves. Cloves are extremely beneficial for hair care. They contain antibacterial and antifungal properties that help cleanse the scalp, reduce dandruff, calm irritation, and create a healthier environment for hair growth. They also improve circulation to the scalp, which supports stronger and fuller looking hair over time. In addition to that, cloves can help soften dull hair and leave it feeling healthier as well as easier to manage. When the water is boiling like this with the cloves, this means the cloves have now released their nutrients into the water. You can now remove the pot from the stove and let the mixture sit for 24 hours or more so that everything can fully infuse. Another amazing benefit of cloves is their ability to nourish the hair while acting as a natural conditioner. They can leave your hair feeling softer, healthier, and easier to manage. And many people also use cloves to revive dull hair and gradually improve the appearance of dark hair over time. Now that the cloves have released their nutrients into the water, I removed the pot from the stove and let it sit. As you can see here, I'm now going ahead and straining the mixture. This is what the mixture looks like after straining. First, I'm adding some castor oil. Next, I'm adding some vitamin E oil. Now let's mix it up. To transfer the powerful cloves treatment into the spray bottle, I'll be using a funnel. This homemade clove spray is one of the most simplest and most effective natural remedies for supporting healthy hair growth, but the real secret is consistency. Apply the spray directly onto your scalp and leave it on for at least 30 minutes to an hour. While applying it, gently massage your scalp for 2 to 5 minutes to stimulate hair follicles even more. You can also apply it at night and wash your hair the next morning for better results, or just leave it in. For the best outcome, use this treatment twice a week and stay consistent in your routine. And this is the final secret I was talking about, guys. After applying the Cloves treatment, always make sure to use a leave-in conditioner or a natural oil afterwards to prevent dryness. One thing many people notice about Cloves is that if you're using it too often, it can sometimes leave your hair feeling dry. I'm telling you, once you start using this powerful Cloves treatment consistently, you will begin to see the results and you won't want to stop using it. Your hair will begin to look healthier, stronger, fuller, and more alive over time. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you found it helpful, please make sure to share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural hair care videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!